Your Excellency, my name is Gilbert Olanya, the Member of Parliament from Amoro. Your Excellency, with the love that you have for the people of Acholi, I would like to urge you, when you are handling the issues of compensation, the Acholi sub-region should be taken as a unique problem. The problem of Acholi shouldn't be compared with other regions. You have seen from the statistics, the claimants from Acholi is only 16,000. Tesu up to 43,000. Now up to 38,000. The Acholi people are very sincere. We didn't like to exaggerate the figures. Therefore, let our problem be handled in a unique way. Your Excellency, the Acholi community suffered more than any other region. We were here for more than 20 years. Therefore, when you're handling our issues, I urge you have to look at it in a very holistic manner. To complete the compensation in Acholi people lost several things. Therefore, let the government come up with an holistic approach of compensating our people. Finally, allow me to appreciate you, Your Excellency, one, for stopping massive tree cutting in Acholi. I remember in Baralegi, when you gave the executive order, I would like to thank the 4th Division Commander and his team. When they deployed, right now, massive tree cutting is no longer in Acholi. I appreciate you for that. And as I wind up, on the Balalo issue, Your Excellency, they are still continuously blocking community road and blocking the access water point. 2 weeks ago in Pade, we went and helped the community by opening the access road and water point. After opening, right now what is happening is that the police officers are conniving with the Balalo to take us for court for malicious damage. Yet we participated in implementing your executive order. I thank you, Your Excellency. Continue playing the great role in protecting the Acholi land. I thank you.
Your Excellency, my name is Bosmi Kotim. Acholi compensation has taken so long, not because the government does not want to help the people of Acholi land. We have been receiving a lot of initiatives through the government, but it does not reach the beneficiaries, the rightful beneficiaries. The whole system must be changed. This system of relative friends and in-laws, even if you send trillion shillings here, nobody will be a beneficiary apart from the same people, same group, same team, same committee. Boss Miko team, I'm telling you the truth. Our Acholi leaders are our own problem of the land. Change them. The people will appreciate the government. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. My name is Udongauto. I'm an advocate. Your Excellency, I just want to address my mind. Welcome to Gulu, and thank you for the executive order. God bless you. Thank you for the ban on charcoal. God bless you. I wanted to address my mind on the legality of the issue you raised. First of all, this is a court out of court settlement. There are people who have been partially paid. Compensation is totally different from rehabilitation. Compensation legally is different from rehabilitation. You pay for what has been lost. This is a subject matter before court. And even if this government decides that they will rehabilitate and give 5 cows per household, this will not be the last government. Because people have to be paid for what was picked from here. So I would appeal to you, Excellency. You mean well. You mean well. You made a bold decision to make an executive order against your own tribesmen. You mean well for our people. But it hurts us to see the cows of Balalo when ours is not there, and today they come to tell us, let us give everyone 5,500. They took 5,000 cows. You now want to give 3 cows? This is ludicrous. This is an insult. So you could put a select committee. There are people who stole cattle money. Some of them are here. They are here among us. They should be in prison long time ago. And lastly, as I go to sit, Your Excellency, the political leaders, there are MPs who have been paid 2,000 cows, ministers who have been paid 3,000 cows, generals who have paid themselves 2,500 cows. They are here. Now today they are saying they give everyone 5 cows. For crying out loud, this one will cause you a political problem. Thank you.
Your Excellency, my name is Wellington Kuwait. I'm the Councillor 5, Guatira Sub-County in Gulu District. I have 2 issues. One, I want to plead to you, Your Excellency, that you use your indulgence within your wise leadership to organize another different meeting with the district leaders and the sub-county leaders separately. You realize that our members of parliament, the ministers, they have taken advantage of this meeting. And you are not going to hear what we have as local government. We have a lot of issues to share with you. 2, I must address my discontent with the statistics presented by the Attorney General. I must say that they are very unfair. You realize that the total number of claimants from the whole Acholi sub-region is only 16,000. That's a very big lie. I must say the statistics is not true. And we are going home when we are not happy. It is not true. 2, Your Excellency, our appeal to you that you, within your wise leadership, you should put a compensation desk office at each sub-county to handle the file. We have so many files, I could say, that have not been worked on. And people are complaining. You have been hearing how the civil servant, the Attorney General have been very defensive. And that is how they're operating. Our people are not free. There are a lot of people that are being frustrated with the work of your staff. We plead that really the desk office have to be there at the sub-county to handle filing.